And today we're going to do it glitter glue slime. I feel like it's the hardest slime to make. Well, why don't we turn it into a competition? And we're here in our PJs because we're having a sleepover. Ooh, ooh, woo, woo. So let's get started. So we each have a container and glitter glue. I have pink. I have blue. And we each have a Sharpie to stir with. I have pink. I have blue. We each have a borax water and water. It's for the video. So the first thing we're doing is just unscrewing the top. I'm pretty sure this is a competition. Thank you very much. Okay, fine. First thing I'm doing is unscrewing the top and putting the glue in the container. I did that first. Alright. I'm probably going to do a time lapse of me mixing because it's going to take a long time, but just watch it satisfactorily. Sorry for that noise. Someone texted me. Look at that satisfaction. Oh, those noises though. Okay, might not be the best. So I don't think I can get the rest of mine out. I have a pretty decent amount. But we don't stop. We don't quit. This is PS Entertainment. So I'm going to look at who cares? I'm going to take my water and I'm going to pour it in. Make sure you're very careful. Alright. So after she does that, we will come back and show you guys us pouring the borax water in. So I have this filled with water and the rest of my glue, and I'm just going to pour it in. I think mine's a lot better. And you know what? We don't need all the glitter. I mean, I'm not putting ugly water in mine. It's like, I just want to touch it. It looks like slime. It's glue. I know, but it looks like that. We scraped and scraped and scraped. Like, what is this? It's not coming out. I don't care how many videos we watched on how to get all the glue out. Borax water in right now, so look how pretty mine is. She's putting her borax water in. Next, I am just going to mix my glue and water. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit. I'm going to mix it. And as she's mixing, I'm going to try to pour out some of my water because I put too much. Oops, wrong way. Okay, so I finished mixing mine. And it took me a little while, like maybe give it a minute or two of mixing. And she has put in her borax water. I'm going to start putting mine in. I still need more because it's still sticking. But I'm going to touch it because you're at the kneading stage. Oh, it's very sticky. I think I'm going to have to throw this Sharpie out after. These are my dad's Sharpie. And bouncy. It's really really hard, gross slimes. And we both agree that each other's slimes are better. We over borax these like bleh. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to add some lotion. We would not recommend this if you want it to create the clear glossiness, but this one, they have no hope except for the garbage can. What? So we have some lotion. We're going to add okay, so we've just finished putting the lotion in. It's better. It's okay. It smells good now. It smells good. So write in the comments who you think won. Mine is pink cotton candy. Mine is blueberry bomb. So what we're going to be doing, blueberry bomb. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding them together. We've already added a little and it made this really cool metallic-y color. So we're going to be adding the whole thing to make a super slime. I say we name it pastel purple. Okay, I like it. So let's go. We're going to be doing it little by little. Yeah, because it feels awful when it just like all mixed big together. So we're going to go little by little. Little by Leo. So this is the finished project. We combined the slimes, and this slime is so good. So you have to add it little by little with so much lotion. It's not even it. If you guys don't believe that this is the same slime, watch that frickin' whole watch that whole entire time lapse. You will see how wrong you are. This is so freaking good. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you hit the big thumbs up to show us how much you like us. Subscribe down below. And while you're at it, you might as well hit that little bell so that you get the notifications and join the PS squad. Duh. And make sure to watch our Wednesday video, our Friday video, where it's just me on Wednesday and just her on Friday. We're going to be doing tutorials. And this Sunday's video, it's a special birthday. Shh, don't tell. Thank you guys.